Are you looking for an opportunity in Saudi Arabia? Then this might be for you. Professional Accreditation Program helps you to get expatriate worker skills verified and enable the Saudi labor market to hire a more productive and valuable workforce.
The purpose of this program is to verify the skills of the labor who are intending to go to Saudi Arabia. After successfully passing the exam, the labor can obtain their certificate from the online portal, which is valid for 5 years.
This is carried out by examining the skills of expatriate workers in their countries at skills verification program designated test centers to ensure that the workers have the necessary skills to perform their field of profession. Want to know more about this program? This program is initiated by Human Resources and Social Developments, Saudi Arabia, in which more than 60 centers have been opened across the targeted countries. Ministry of Human Resources and Social Developments, Saudi government has made this step mandatory for every skilled person. This skills verification program includes automotive primary service, building, carpenter, car body repair, construction blacksmith, electricity, automotive electrical, communications and electronic technician, engine mechanics, HVAC, automotive mechanical, mechanical maintenance technician, metal forming and processing, blacksmith, mining digger operator, mining technician, plumbing, painting, plastering, shuttering carpenter, stone crushers, tile work, welding. In this program, keeping in view the requirement of the Saudi government, technical and security steps are taken into consideration. Then the exam is conducted.
हम यहाँ पर सऊदी स्टैंडर्ड्स के मुताबिक मुख्तलिफ ट्रेड्स में टेस्ट लेते हैं। लोगों को यहाँ पर आने में आसानी है, लोगों का टेस्ट लिया जाता है और उसी दिन उनको उनका रिजल्ट सबमिट कर दिया जाता है।
The process of registration at Takamul Skills Verification Program. Candidates can register online for Takamul Verification Skills Program. After typing in their correct credentials, candidates can log in into their account. Once your application is submitted, print your roll number slip to appear for the test exam. Appear in the 2 test exams as mentioned in your roll number slip. Each exam consists of 2 parts. The first part is a computer test and the second is a practical test. In the practical test, workers are checked according to their occupations under the supervision of experts. This stage involves a 1-day practice to ensure that the worker's time is not wasted. The certificate for this stage is only available online and is valid for 5 years in Saudi Arabia.
मैंने अपनी टेस्ट की ऑनलाइन बुकिंग की थी। मैं यहाँ पर अभी टेस्ट देने के लिए आया हूँ और यहाँ पर माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटी है और मेरे तमाम टेस्ट क्लियर हो गए हैं और शाम तक उनका रिजल्ट आ जाएगा।
Professional Accreditation Program aims to be aligned with Saudi Vision 2030 by achieving economic growth through enhancing productivity in the Saudi labor market.